What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, and this is DUBB. Yeah, so I got an LG refrigerator right here that the top portion of the refrigerator get too cold, and some of the drinks and fruits and stuff in here get frozen. So the reason is see those ice build up right there. What's going on is a condenser back there, and also had the heating coil. Once in a while the refrigerator will defrost and the ice will melt and water will drip down to the back, but now the hose going down there is clogged, and every time the machine is defrosting, instead of the water draining down to the back, the water pool up over here. So what's going on is the drain is clogged. And here's the back right here. You have the water pan down there. See this white hose right here? See this white hose right here? This is drain, as you haven't reflected too. And now the water's not draining. So got all the shelves removed. You can see some ice build up over here, and I need to remove this pan over here to get to the condenser. I believe we call it the condenser, and it should just be some clips around to undo it. Let's see. Open. There we go. Some screws up there. Remove the cap. There's another hidden screw right here. So we got 3 screws you gotta remove. So gently wiggle it and until it comes apart. A little tricky, but just take your time. And it would be helpful if you thaw out the ice first. But I got it to separate. So you got ice on the bottom right there holding it together. See all this ice is built up right there, and the bottom tray right there is all frozen. So every time the heating coil right here heats up, try to melt the ice. All it does is pull up this area right here and causes you drain out to the bottom of the tray. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unplug the refrigerator, and I'm gonna pour hot water to melt all this ice down here. Alright, so most refrigerators, the setup is similar. So if you have this ice build up problem, just remove the panel and thaw out the ice, and go down here, melt all the ice down there, and unclog the drain. That should solve the problem. Hot water. That'll take forever, but eventually it'll melt all the ice. So just keep pouring the hot water onto the ice and melt all the ice off the rear coil and on the bottom, and take a little time. Eventually you'll get all the ice melt off it, Then once everything's done, I think somewhere in the middle of the drain pan right there, you're gonna have a drain hole. When you get to that, then unclog it. Have those ice chunks removed from the bottom pan right there. And here's a drain right here. You can see it's frozen solid. So I need to melt all the ice in here. So it's from here all the way to the bottom. So I don't know how thick the ice is over here. I pour some hot water in there. Very, very hot water. And I'm just gonna blow some air into the drain area, allow the water to move around and thaw out the ice. Get in there. So as you can, I put a straw right here. I'm gonna add hot water to melt the ice, and instead of using a towel to soak up the water, I'm just trying to suck the water in my mouth and spit it out into this container right here. It's a lot faster. Unless your water is hecka dirty, I just suck the water in my mouth and spit into this container. And just repeat the process until this whole drain hose is all clear up. Get rid of the ice in there. So finally, after all the sucking and blowing, it drained out. Show it to you. Now it's drained. Let's go take a look at the back. Yeah, coming out on this side. Now the bottom pan actually filled with, now the bottom pan is filled with water now. You can see this water down there. And some got onto the floor right here. So it's draining properly right now. So I hope it's a permanent fix. So I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Now I gotta put this one back together. Alright, catch you next time. Bye.